Alright, so Elsa and Ferdy have dug out most of the first bit of this middle section, which is still being held up by the old pillars, so that's cool. Just feeling amazing actually that this is nearly done. And today we are going to dig out this whole bit here. So this is going to be the kind of clean lab shared workshop with the snooker table up there. So I'm going to cut a line across here, and I'm going to cut a line tight underneath these shelves, because these shelves are going to stay here forever. Well, forever. We're going to excavate all of this floor, and then that will be the last bit of the barns which is going to have underfloor heating, because the rest of the room is going to have air-to-air heat pump so we can cool it in the summer. And basically we have all of our stuff now piled up, filling this huge barn. It's quite insane the amount of stuff we have. I mean, a lot of it is insulation and solar panels and things, but still, this is really turning into a massive project. So yeah, that's today's challenge, is to break this all up and start digging it out into the new skip, which is outside that door. Wish us luck. Okay, we're just finishing off this last bit, a little bit now. If you can hear me over the drilling, yeah, it's getting very close. Wowee, so there we go. I think we've finished digging this all out. I mean, it's 3/4 of the barns are now dug out. So we've got a little bit more tidying up to do in here. Tomorrow, just a few bits and bobs, but we will put back in the beam tomorrow. At least we'll put it in and then prop it up with some more of these acros. So that'll be back in position. Then we've got to figure out how to weld that new beam in. But we are very close now to being able to insulate the floors and then do all the underfloor heating and get some heating going in these barns, because it is totally freezing. That's where we're up to. Gosh, I look so tired. Sorry, dear viewers. We didn't really film that, but getting this thing back up has required 2 lifts for some reason. Getting it down clearly wasn't that safe because we just used 1, but we've got 2 lifts going here. We've jacked it up, and now we have to somehow get it to mate with the wall over here into its little socket there next to Petter.
You have another, like, probably that much left into the wall?
Well, we've skipped forward a little bit, sorry, because it's all been a bit frantic, but we have the new posts are in. Ferdy and Petter did these this morning. Looking very good. Just need to weld the tops there and bolt them into the bottom. Here comes the cat. Yeah, so we've got 4 new posts in, holding up this beam. So hopefully by the end of the day we can take out all of the temporary ones, and then this room is ready to go. Here we go again. It's happening. It's dusty as hell. Petter and Lewis, the Perlite Kings. Beautiful. Hey guys, don't go in the snow.
Why?
Because it's not snow.
Can we touch it?
I guess so.
Yeah, but be careful because it's very dusty, guys.
It's not good for your.
We didn't fall in.
Just touch it and then go out, okay?
And what is that green?
Go on, out.
Dusty, isn't it?
What is that green?
That's a laser from here. Don't look in there. Go on, out, guys.
We want to be here.
But it's dusty. It's really bad for your lungs.
Ooh.
Petter has got
great.
a pair of my old neon brogues. All right.
Oh, they look amazing. Look at that.
Oh, wow.
Oh, we're going to try this, Petter.
Yeah.
Are we?
Gonna try it?
We're not going to try it. We're going to nail it.
Yes. Oh, come on.
Maybe we
That is
need.
great.
We might have to put in a second screw.
Yeah. I'll just walk in carefully. This is amazing.
It works a treat, doesn't it?
Good.
So Ferdy is now cutting the landscape fabric. Got this perlite. And in a minute we will lay it down on top of the perlite, which is all here and all level, more or less. And then we put the steel mesh on top and vibrate it with that thing. Alright, so this is compacted down. I think this is ready to insulate. This is, yeah, there's a few stones left, but I mean, it is all just stones. This is all stones. But it should be deep enough. We've dug more out. Oh, this is pretty intense. But we're very nearly there. All the pipes are in. This room is ready to insulate. Yep. I think this might be it. We've got 4 days until the concrete arrives, if we work through the weekend. So, can we get all this insulation in and the heating pipes done in 3 or 4 days? I think we can. Yeah, watch this space. So there we go. Whew, that is this whole thing perlited. If I can just get across without falling in. So yeah, tomorrow we put the fabric on it and the mesh and then compact it. And then it's ready for the heating pipes. It's going to go through here. See how Ferdy's got on with the kitchen, compacting that. Perlite in here, ready to go for tomorrow. Tommy's coming back tomorrow. He's going to block up that hole so all the perlite doesn't go out. And then Ferdy built a little wall here to stop everything falling out of there. And in here, cool. We have a rock hard perlite floor. Perfect. All right, action stations. We're laying the underfloor heating pipes. Vincent's here. Hey?
What looks so cool?
The other room. Underfloor heating pipes going in. But the big news is in here. Look at this. Winter Wonderland. Looks bloody great, Petter. Petter. Look at those shoes. Yeah. This is this is some high fashion perlite. And in other news, Ferdy and I and Tommy a bit and Vincent a bit have put the underfloor heating pipes in the kitchen. So that is done. So this room is now chaos, but organised chaos. We know what to do. Right on. So tomorrow we're gonna compact this room, and then that's most of the compacting done. And we can start doing the heating pipes in this room and in the other room through there. So that is it for today. Here's the last room. Where's Tommy? So, wow, it's Saturday, December the 3rd, I think. The concrete comes on Monday, the 5th, and we are desperately trying to get all this underfloor heating in before Monday. So it's yeah, it's nearly there. We just got to do this room, or the rest of this room tomorrow, and Also this room through here needs to be done. The kitchen through there is done. And then we have to make some sense out of all these pipes here and connect them into the manifold, and then pressure test everything and pray that there's no leaks. I don't see why there would be leaks, but you never know. So that's going to be tomorrow. Oh well, sorry I didn't film too much of that. This has been quite a mission. It's Sunday night and the concrete arrives at 7:30 tomorrow morning, and we have just laid 1.2 kilometers of underfloor heating pipes. Elsa's putting the little stands on, but yeah, it's all done. That's the workshop, dairy, and I just connected everything up to this manifold and I just pressure tested it, and it held 1 bar for an hour, so I guess there's no leaks, which I think is a miracle. Not sure how well this will come out at night, but this place looks fucking amazing.